The destination is on your right, 7652 Wind Avenue.
So for the first thing on our agenda today is the NHO, which is the new home orientation. So I'm here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley right now, and I'm at Desert Skies KB Homes, and we're about to do a inspection and also a final walkthrough. And yes, I am driving a van. Get my report here. Hold on. I gotta make sure I get the keys too before I end up locking myself in. Look at this. I never understood at the car dealership. They give you like the 2 keys, which is like ridiculous. What happens if you lose this thing, right? What's up, Jason? What's up, Nolan? What up? What up, man? How's everything going? So right now, Jason is actually the superintendent. He's going over the paperwork with our client. But let me just kind of show you around here. He's got the standard countertops here. You got bathroom, bedroom. Now this is like one of their popular models. I think this is that 2416 model here. This thing's gorgeous. Let me run upstairs real quick. So look at this. You have a loft here. You have an option too as well to do a bathroom in here. So here's one of the bedrooms. He converted this into a full bath. Now, typically the standard here would have been just like the closet. This closet would have been gone. And the reason why he opted out to do this is because he's a young cat and he's gonna end up renting out all these rooms. Think about this. He's got his primary right here. He can rent this one out. 500, 500, 500, that's 15. Then the one downstairs, that's $2,000 a month. And look how large his primary is. Wow. Actually, this was a really good spec. Now, keep in mind, reason why this works out is because what he wants to do and the way that he spec'd out his home was based upon his lifestyle. So he didn't throw a lot of money into this. He threw the basics, and he was one of the first actually purchases in here. There's one thing that I want to share with you. I think that's very important, especially when you're doing a final walkthrough. What you want to do is make sure to ask the superintendent to leave all the tiles, the carpet, and also the paint too as well, just in case if you may need it later on. So we literally just finished the inside, and we're walking on the exterior of the property right now.
How would that happen?
What's that?
This like it looks like it's
Why? It's just paint.
and then just the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the weep holes. Yep.
Looked like they probably painted it and it started raining, huh?
Yeah. You're probably right.
Just lights are a little bit crooked, yeah. There you go, it's fixed. So pretty much that's kind of how we do it. Just wanted to give you a general idea, but let me get back to my clients. Man, they're pretty breezy in here. So this is actually a grilled chicken with some sticky rice. Did notice they put a lot of sugar in this too as well. And this is very, very good. I told myself not to eat the sticky rice, but thank you. This is really good.
What up, Aya?
What up, Slick?
Dude,
What's going on, man?
Just having a powwow, man. Talk about making money.
Oh, I want to be a part of this conversation.
About crypto.
So is everybody else. Yeah, what about that lender?
Yeah, I spoke to her.
That was for that girl, right?
Yeah. Did you see that email she sent? She's like, they're not even ready for the next 4 years. And I'm like, So I replied to her email. I don't know if you saw it or not, but she hasn't.
Yeah, hopefully she gets the ball rolling, man. Because if not, she's going to be overpaying, dude.
That's what I told her in the email.
We'll find out. All right, guys, have a good one.
Later.
All right, we got to get back to work. Man, Simply Vegas pretty much owns pretty much all these buildings already at this point. We got our office here. We're about to take this whole office down. Our office is over here. We got Clear Title over there and Streamline Mortgage. Oh man, this company's growing. So take a look at this. Seems like a lot of agents are now transferring on over to Simply Vegas. Simply Vegas is doing something good or something great. Oh, you know what? Numbers have not came out yet for October. Can't wait to see what I've placed. Hopefully it's number one, but some months are good, some months are bad. It is what it is. You're like, yo, where is it?
Where is he?
Oh man, I gotta go get another battery for my freaking camera. This one is dying already.
Is it?
I know once it hits that 25% mark, it's dead.
Yeah.
All right, so Rudy and I are here at Stoney's, but I gotta go get a brand new battery for this thing, just due to the fact that this thing is dying. But anyway, Rudy's right there. He's getting ready, and we're at Stoney's at Town Square. Look at this. You got a little bull right here. And we have the video photographer. What was your name again?
Irvin.
Irvin.
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you, man. So, a couple things. I gotta go get a brand new battery, and I should probably get a jacket because it is a little bit chilly in here too as well. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. One of my worst fears is actually speaking in public with a bunch of people. Now, when they asked me to speak, at first I was like, no, but you know what? Sometimes you got to step out of your comfort zone, and that's what I'm doing. I'm actually challenging myself. So I encourage you to do the same thing. If you're scared to do something, just do it, right? Oh, what time does this event actually start?
She said 4.
She said 4 o'clock? Let me just kind of show you guys around Stoney's real quick. Take a look at this. You can literally ride a bull. Doesn't that look like fun? Hey, what is this theme that's going on, Rudy?
It's the Dios de los Muertes. It's like the Day of the Dead.
Yeah, I thought that's over already.
I think it was. It was like, what's today? It was like last week, Thursday, Friday or something.
Oh, it was? Yeah, look at this. You got all the video photographers. You got one guy here, one guy there, and another guy over there. Oh, let's take a look at this. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that with the lighting or not, but it's kind of cool, right? Now let's come over here, see what's going on. Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Say what's up to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Give me a thumbs up, YouTube, please.
Yeah, that's right. Give me a thumbs up. So basically, I guess this is the stage right here, and this is where all the speakers are going to be at right here. Flight delay here. I'm not going off stage until like 6 o'clock.
Until tomorrow.
Next week.
I know. They wanted us there today.
Anyway, we're not going on until about 6 o'clock to 6:45. It was very cold in there, so I decided, you know what, Rudy, we gotta go get something to drink. So I'm gonna go get some like hot coffee or something.
I'll check out some sneakers.
Oh, I guess we could do that. I'll end up buying something. Hello. Good. How are you doing today? No, we were gonna get some coffee, but my friend was like, "Let's go look at some Snickers." I said Snickers.
Snickers. You ever had a pair of Harachis?
No, I didn't like the style. I don't like the way it looks.
Light too.
These, I don't know how you wear these, man. These are so uncomfortable.
I guess I got flat feet.
Oh, okay. See, I like stuff like this.
Yeah.
Like flashy. Wow. This is only 50 bucks. Hey, those are pretty smooth, Rudy.
These right here, they look like Jordan 1 lows.
Yeah.
So first up, we're going to have Chakits.
Ooh. Oh, I'm over here. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys.
It's alright.
Oh, I'm making an appearance right now. Sorry.
He just wants us to clap again.
Yes, one more time. Sorry. Look, guys, we're on stage right now. Isn't this crazy?
What's going on, everybody? So, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. I'm with Simply Vegas. I've been a licensed real estate agent now for 10 years. This year, I think we did over 150 transactions with the team. Myself, we closed about 40 million as of today. So, when it comes to real estate, one thing that I realized is you always gotta pivot and profit.
I can't cover everything because, remember, going back to my story, I had that one niche where I did video tours and educate buyers on how to buy a home, but then I tried to merge a second channel to that one channel. It didn't work. The algorithm dropped. So we had to split up the two channels. They will always remember you because they want to see you win. And that's what's great about social media. Say what's up, YouTube? What's up? Come on, scream louder. What's up, YouTube? That's what I'm talking about.
And now we have Rosa Flores. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. So I've always wanted to try this place down here in Chinatown. This place is called 888 Korean Barbecue. Now the reason why I always wanted to try this spot is, number one, it always looks busy. Number two, you can actually do the barbecue and also the hot pot too as well. So when you place an order here, there's 3 different menus. We actually went with the prime, and basically we got the Wakobe, right? Is it Wakobe or Kobe?
Kobe.
Oh, it's actually called Kobe. Oh, look at this. This thing's bubbling up. Bubbling. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen Jamie for some time. Matter of fact, people was like, yo, where's Jamie at?
Aloha, all you Chakits here. Still kicking, alive and well, but as the summer kicked over, I just got busy, but I'm back. I'm going to kind of prop it up, kind of like that.
Go ahead, try it. So the one that you order right here, Rudy, this is what? The miso soup, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing is bomb, bro. Here's the Wagyu. Very tender. I already tried one. This thing's pretty good. Try one of these right here, like a. Damn.
The hot broth? I'm going to try one the hot broth. What is it?
Yeah, I think it's called brisket or something, right?
Oh, the brisket, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Dude, this crockpot thing is good, dude.
Yeah. Yes, I am. Like to tell you guys, one thing I miss you guys, all I gotta say is aloha.
How was it? So we just finished the first round. Now it's round 2. So basically what this is just egg beaten up. Basically they just steamed it in a hot pot. So it's kind of like a jelly. Bro, you guys gotta try this, man. It's like salty. Like, this thing's bomb. Look at this.
Very light, fluffy.
Yep. Here's the garlic.
Oh, smells so good, the fresh air.
Yeah, it does.
Dang. Well, this place wasn't that bad. It wasn't the best, but I definitely would like you to try it. And let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this place. What I do like about this place is that you did have the option where you can grill, and also you could do the crock pot or whatever it's called, that soup pot thing. But anyway, that's pretty much for the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also comment below, and also give me a thumbs up too as well. Other than that, till next time, peace.